Good day, good love, and great fun and light illuminators and wave showers. There's Abby. She's waiting for me to throw the ball. Here we go. Okay, ready? It's a big hill. Just sharing a few moments of love and light to all of you. Morning love, morning fun, morning joy. So yeah, this is pretty much how we spend, I don't know, our first at least hour of the morning. Nalibara malavishimana ketiana satulun kuyamai bi eto komefe se juno do biala kania naniasa kikiata. Na pontoya can be shabashana maya vakatiana ajine ete papa hanania shati pushuno pakia shanate. Chumpakania by me ashana shapia pakiana fashokoa. I was just sitting here with my many thoughts and meditations and mixed emotions as I look around and think how beautiful this place and this space is, and yet how how much maintenance and work it is, and what I want to do next, and what I want to spend my moments on, and planting flowers. And I bought a new green stalk, I should say, Dave. But some of these new green stalk vertical planters, I'm going to be trying out those. And it's just about time to start planting seeds. So, of course, as the metaphor is, what seeds do we want to plant? The seeds we plant are the stories that we tell, the things that we say, but most importantly, what we believe. And I'm reminded, as I follow the formula, literally spending my moments in my highest joys and excitements, moment by moment, as far as I can take it, until I can't take it any further, without any insistence on any outcome, any insistence. And I always get caught there. And the staying in the positive mindset, that knowing that whatever it is that's happening in this perfect moment is happening for us, by us. I literally heard my higher self say, I got this, I got you, I'm you. I've got this. I know what's around the corner, and I know why. And you know why too, but you wanted to forget so you could have a story. So you could play this out. For whatever it is that your soul came to learn. Get ready. Sorry, I hope you didn't make you dizzy there. Oh, I gotta switch hands. Nilaki zeve samoshinkia ijunotovikima bate sosanotatea ajanotivimiama ikono matsupasono patiana. Absolutely everything in creation has another side of the coin. Everything. Absolutely everything. It's a full moon. We just had the full moon, well, last night, but we're definitely still in that full moon energy. What are we sick and tired of being sick and tired of? Samate aneyava kipa tokoshi mishete tana. And I feel the love and support through the language of light. And I definitely feel the multidimensional quantum exchange of information and feelings and stories. Even if this part of my consciousness isn't actually completely focused in that way. Yeah, Tabishimaya. Oh, hang on. What'd you do with the ball? Where'd you put it? I don't see it. Oh, one moment. Let me look for the ball. Oh, I see it. There it is. Okay. Okay, ready? Of course she is. And pretty soon she gets tired, and we both know when it's time to take a little rest. So I was thinking this morning about the flowers I want to plant and the veggies and how excited I am to try something new. And to learn to work with what we have. To take our highest joint excitement as far as we can take it. And that's one of the things that I really focus my moments on as much as I possibly can, is what can I do in that moment to feel peace, that the circumstances are not what makes me happy and makes me sad. It's how I feel about it, how I look at it. I'm a person that's I've grown up asking why. I want to know why everything happens. No insistence. We know why. Do you remember when you wanted what you've got now? At some point, that was your frequency, our frequency, our highest desire at the moment, the best that we could believe that we could manifest. Now's the time to believe. Our thoughts, we manifest by the focus of energy. Okay, ready? And so for me, as I'm sitting here drinking my coffee, playing with Abby, I don't know why I'm inspired to pick up the video. It's just something I've had a camera in my hand all my life, in one form or another, and nothing ever professional. Just, I don't know, the love of sharing a moment, the remembering, but yet now we know everything. Our whole experience is our consciousness, moment by moment by moment by moment, having a physical experience. Where'd she go? What you doing? I can't even believe everything's starting to bloom already. We're here in the central Alabama, and way in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. Actually, this house is at the bottom of another mountain. It goes up. So we're kind of at the bottom of this mountain, but the road goes out and even further down. So it's one of the reasons why we wanted to move here, was for this, the peace, the tranquility, the nourishment, the nature, trees all around us. All the way around the house, there's trees visible from every window. And I think, wow, thank you. Thank you, higher self, because we really did manifest the things that we believed that we needed in that moment at that time. And even though those things have definitely changed, the reasons, the whys, the reasons why I believed the reasons were that we came here completely never came to fruition. Never. The reasons we believed we were coming to this exact location. And so the asking the whys is literally negating the entire experience, actually. Because the whole point is, without any insistence, where is this moment taking me? Why am I making this video? Why? I don't know. because I'm guided, I'm not even sure. It's just this thing. It's like, why do we write? Why do we paint? Why do we draw? Why do we do anything that we love? Because it's the frequency. It puts us in the frequency. It reminds us of the frequency that we already belong to, that we already are, that we think we've forgotten, we think we're separated from, but it brings us back into it brings us back to the remembering that everything's connected, everything's one. We are all, I got the image of a jellyfish the other day. I saw it, I think, an image of this like rainbow jellyfish, and I sort of felt like that's what we are. We're like all these tendrils and tentacles of one big, beautiful, just floating, effervescent. That's not the word I'm looking for. Luminescent, glowing, beautiful being that keeps growing and growing more and more perspectives, and each one of those little perspectives, those tentacles. Yep, she's getting tired. Okay, sweetie pie, are you time to rest? Are you ready to rest? Yes. Okay, you come and rest. She'll do it again, but I think it's about time to rest. It's hard to believe how many it doesn't appear to be, but that is a really steep hill. That driveway is super, the elevation is unbelievable. You walk up and down there once or twice, and let me tell you, you've gotten your workout for the day. And the garden is way down there, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that down there. Probably I think I'm just going to have a wildflower garden until, because it's a very, the whole situation with water and irrigation and getting water all the way down there, and is quite the challenge. So we're still working on the challenge. I think in the meantime, though, we had a really bad situation last year with some really bad soil, and it killed everything in the garden. It was, pretty upsetting. So, which happens to a lot of people. They buy bad soil, and that's exactly what happened. It was filled with herbicide or something. It just literally killed absolutely every single thing we killed. Every pot, everything that I put that dirt in died. So I'm going to be refurbishing the garden, and I know it's hard to see. Let me zoom in. And because it's way through there. There it is, in that fenced area. And it was pretty devastating. So I'm going to be rejuvenating the soil, and I'm going to be I think for now I'm just going to put a wildflower garden down there. And these are the kind of things I love to share also, whether or not it's appropriate on a light language channel, but this is the language of my light. The language of my light is filled with so much love and gratitude for your beings. I guess gratitude for my even ability to have this moment to share this. The reverence, the fun, the excitement. I could watch our birds all day, and I was reminded, these are our ancestors. The birds are our dinosaur family. Yep. This is meditation. I love you. I love you. I love you. What's your language of light? Your languages of your lights, of all the multidimensional yous that you are. Milabekiama Shatokoya Lashite Samasamikiana Shakiawa Kashana. This is us. One beautiful, beautiful ball of light. And seeing itself from every part of itself. A beautiful, perfect puzzle. I love you.